Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Then Code. This video is going to be very interesting. It's about hackathons. What are they? What is the process of a hackathon? Why they are so crucial? Why companies take them so seriously? And how you can find a right hackathon for you, some good resources, and at the end, I have a surprise for you. Now let's get started first with the first question. What are hackathons? So, hackathons are events organized by organizations. It can be a company, some society, some club, or a community where people join together to solve problems. Although there can be different types of hackathons in different domains, but today's video we will be going to cover about hackathons in IT or basically hackathons in tech. So, let's first see what we actually do in a hackathon. First, you either get a defined problem statement from the organizers of the hackathon, for example, develop a software to keep a track of your daily workout, let's say, or a theme. It can be a theme, something like Clean India, and then you have to define your own problem related to that particular theme. And this can be open innovation as well, where you will define the problem statement and it can be from various themes as well. So, the first step is about problem definition. You have to define your problem or you have to understand your problem. Now let's come to the second point, brainstorming. So in this step, you will brainstorm about how you can solve that particular problem. You can do it with your teammates if you are participating within a team, or if you are participating alone, then you have to design your solution and then you have to develop it. So this step is basically designing, development, and deployment. First, you will define in the first step, you will define your problem statement. In the second step, you will design your solution. Then you will develop it and develop a product, and then you will deploy it. Now let's come to the third step, which is pitching. How you are presenting your idea to the audience, including judges. So it is basically depending upon your soft skills and your presentation skills. So hackathons are basically giving you a wholesome chance to showcase your creativity level, how unique and effectively you can solve a particular problem. Then your technical skills, because you have to develop your idea into product within the given time frame. And lastly, your soft skills as well, how you work well with your teammates, how good your communication skills and presentation skills are. So I hope now you have understood the values of a hackathon and why company take them so seriously that even many of them do hiring through hackathons. Even I got my LinkedIn software development internship through hackathon only. So yeah, definitely hackathons are very important for your personal development and for your growth as well. Now let's jump to where you can find the right hackathon for you. So there are many platforms like Dare to Compete, DevPost, MLH, Hack Club, Hackathon.io, and many more. So you can just Google best platforms for hackathons, and you will get a list of all these websites that I have just mentioned. And I have personally participated in many hackathons, and these are like the best website that I have experienced so far. But there are many others as well, so you can definitely explore all of them. Just Google it, and you will find a lot of website where you can find the right hackathon for you. So this is about platform, but there are many companies like Flipkart, Mintra, LinkedIn, Visa, Nagaro, and many others who organize hackathons on yearly basis. And to be aware about all these opportunities, you have to follow these company pages on LinkedIn. So you will be notified about all the upcoming opportunities or events like this. Even events like if they are giving a talk somewhere, or if they are organizing another event, not just hackathons, so you should be aware about all these things, and for this you have to follow the company pages and to be a part of active communities, active tech communities. You can find the active communities on Discord, Twitter, and many other channels. So there are many social media platforms where you can follow the tech communities, and you will get a lot of opportunities from there as well, because sometimes hackathons are at a smaller level as well. So for example, if 2 3 colleges are coming together and are organizing a hackathon together where the students of those particular colleges will be participating. So to get such kind of opportunities, you have to be a part of communities where you will be notified about such things. So yeah, please find all these active communities, see all the technical societies of your college, for example Lean Circle or DSC Developer Student Club. They may organize hackathons at college level, right? And I have also participated in them. So I can tell from my personal experience that it's a great way to start with. So there are other hackathons and events also organized by our government to promote technology. One of them is Smart India Hackathon, which is a national level hackathon for students. So here, government departments, many IT firms, organizations, and state ministries share some really interesting life problem statements. For example, find a way to solve the issue of garbage collection, let's say, in local areas. So all these collective set of problem statements from various domains will be shared with the participants, and then through the support of your college you can also participate in these kind of events. To find more detail, please check out the Smart India Hackathon official website. And if you want to learn about other government provided resources, then you should definitely check out AICT official website, which is All India Council of Technical Education, where you can find internship portal, learning resources, etc. So now comes the surprise part. I am going to share few of my presentations, hackathon presentation with you all. So why I'm doing this? Because I know in the starting, it may be difficult for many of my viewers to understand that how to present or how to pitch your idea in front of your audience or judges, right? So I am going to share few of my experiences with you so that you can get a better understanding. Okay, so let's see the first one. So this is one of the hackathon where our idea was to help people who cannot speak. So yeah, I will be sharing all these things in the description as well, so you can have a look at it. And you can have these animations from various tools. You can get them online for free. I haven't spent any kind of money on all these softwares. These are freely available on net, so you can definitely check them out. So this is one of the video presentation. Now I will show you one of the text presentation as well. So let's see. Now this is a way you can describe your problem statement in text form. So make some character, give it a name, and try to explain it in his or her term. So for example, I am saying that, okay, this is Jen. He is excited to get selected for a hackathon and all these storyline. Then the problem statement comes. So that's how you can create a storyline and then communicate with the audience. So it will build a connection with you and your audience, and that's how you can engage with them. Then I have another example where I am using a demo, something like this. So you can create all these animations again using tools. So I have used animator.com. You can check that. And yeah, it's very easy to create all such video, and it's impresses a lot. I hope you like all these demos. I will share more on the description, and I hope this will help you to give an idea how to pitch your idea in front of the audience. Thank you for watching this video till the end.